If you install Gate Control Pro devices, you've probably run into the need for a Windows computer to handle programming. If you're working on macOS or Linux, that can quickly become an inconvenience. Webremoter offers a simple solution. Webremoter is Tel's new web-based programming interface for Gate Control Pro devices. No installation required. It's accessible from any browser, so whether you're on Windows, macOS, Linux, or even a tablet, the same interface is always there to greet you. Getting started only takes a one-time registration. After that, you can log in at any time and access your devices instantly. In the Devices menu, you can add your Gate Control Pro units in just a few clicks. Once you enter the device identifier, you can set the device name, assign it to groups, and specify the installation location. All registered devices then appear in a single interface. No need to search for them across separate computers or different programs. You can immediately see each device's status and quickly, easily adjust the most important settings remotely. If you manage multiple sites or larger systems, you can organize your devices into groups. This makes it easy to keep different locations separate and speeds up your day-to-day work. Once you select a device, all the key settings are right at hand. You can manage access permissions, set up scheduled controls, adjust settings, and check or test output operation. Firmware updates can also be launched directly from Webremoter. The system guides you through the process step by step, so your device stays up to date without needing a separate installer. If you also log installation locations, the map view lets you see all your Gate Control Pro devices in one place. This is especially useful when managing multiple sites or larger projects. To use Webremoter, your Gate Control Pro device must be running at least firmware version 10. If an earlier version is installed, please update it first. If you need any assistance, our colleagues are happy to help. With Webremoter, you can manage your Gate Control Pro devices from anywhere, on any operating system, straight from your browser. Register at remoter.telepi.com and try Tel's new web-based interface.